WWH Wrestling here. Guess where I am? I'm high in the sky. Oh my goodness. Here I am. That's scary. I'm scared. I mean, it's really not that high, but and then they're playing Black Ops. We gotta clean this all up after, sadly, because it's a big mess. I have no clue what they're doing. Mission impossible. We gotta jump from there. Okay, bye world. Oh my goodness. Oh, that hurts, but I'm low-key.
Ding ding dong! Ding ding dong! Wait, ding ding dong! Ding ding dong!
Wrestling, shocking thing. Pokemon bag with a lot of Pokemon stuff in it. That thing. Don't know what that is, but who cares? And then ball, big ball. You know, it's been a whole week since I've uploaded. I'm sorry. I failed. Huh? Okay. So.
He doesn't have any fans, actually.
Yeah.
You don't have any fans, though.
Yeah.
No offense.
Big
Bing bong.
Wait, no, didn't you want to say something? Wait.
Oh, yeah.
Shout out of
We
the
are
day
giving-
is. No, it's the shout out of the day.
Okay, the shout out of the day goes to Trent Minar. No spaces, just Trent Minar.
How do you spell that?
No, I'm just saying.
How do you spell Trent Minar?
R-E-N-T, Trent.
Okay, Trent, easy.
Killed me in that one anyway.
Okay, how do you spell Minar?
M-Q-R.
He doesn't know how to spell Minar, so just go M-I-N-A-R or U-R. I don't know. Well, playing Black Ops. I like it. And then we got the Prius. Do you know what the Prius is? Go watch our ninja and you'll understand that joke. I'm getting on the hoverboard. Dang it. It's dumb. Hoverboard. It's almost dead. Okay, so this is when your gas is low, it beeps. So, you're like, oh my goodness. It just turned off on me. And then we got this stuff. Weird slime.
Nope.
Yeah.
Hey, Mom.
Well, who cares?
You little camper! I'm not camping.
He's camping.
You go back.
Go check out Trent Minar. Go subscribe.
I'm not camping.
We got some watermelon. This is how you eat it.
I don't want to see the fucking car.
Okay. So,
Prius.
I'm getting up from the chair. I mean, I normally get up from there, but I have the phone or camera, mainly phone. Oh my goodness, it's hard to get here. Okay, so laying down, getting up. Whoa, scary. It's pretty high. Okay, well, we'll see you guys in the next vlog.